Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering sounds and tools. Use a clean microphone at 6-12 inches, set sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and record in a quiet room. Record multiple takes of individual keys and whole words to capture dynamics. Once done, import files into your audio editor and label tracks clearly so you can find the best clicks. Make sure to record different key velocities to use later for realism and layering. Now edit each clip. Trim silence, normalize levels, and apply a gentle high pass to cut rumble. Layer 2 or 3 clicks with slight pitch detuning and milliseconds offset to recreate natural variation. Shape the attack using a transient shaper or short attack compressor and add subtle EQ boost around 26 kHz for clarity. Once you have a consistent click, create velocity-specific versions. Soft, medium, hard. So your typing voice responds. Finish by mapping samples to keystroke events in your target system. Use MIDI, JSON, or your app's sound engine, assigning velocity layers and random offsets. Export master files as 24-bit WAV or optimized OGG for web use, keeping each velocity layer separate. Test in real typing conditions and adjust volume envelopes so sounds cut without distracting. If you hear robotic repetition, add tiny timing randomization or a shallow room.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.